JavaScript tutorial. This is our first lecture. We are going to learn how to run our first program on JavaScript. So let's make a new folder called, you can say, hello world. Let's start with basics. So we will go to VS Code. Now we need to open a folder which we created called hello world. Here we need to make a new file named as index.html. So there is a shortcut to write the code, doc and tab. So there we need to write the code here, script. In between the script here we write the code console.log hello. So now we need to open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome you need to do Ctrl+O, open hello world index.html. Here you need to go to inspect console. Here you see, we forgotten the semicolon. Save again, and then you need to refresh it. It's hello. Okay, if we copy it and paste it again, Ctrl S, and now we refresh it, see what happens. Hello printed 2 times. If we need an alert, like alert, like what? So Ctrl+S, save, and we will refresh it. See, this is an alert, but so this is up, guys. This video is all about the basics, how to run a simple program. We will learn the basic JavaScript code with HTML in the next